Hello G, this is Ravi. This is log 1. Why log 1? I feel it this is fancy. तो मुद्दे की बात ये है कि I'm going to record myself from now on in a raw format. That is what I like. After experimenting a lot, after thinking a lot, I feel my purpose of recording should be documenting myself. That's it. As of today, it's 23 Feb, where I am. I am in Bangalore, and what I am doing as a profession, I'm a front end engineer right now. There are a lot of stories that I want to tell to myself, to you, basically. Importantly, I want to remove my phobia, like improving my uh, communication skill. Okay, these are the main purpose. That's it. So I stay in Bommanhalli. Yes, this is how it pronounced. मुझे यहाँ आए हुए अराउंड 1.5 years हो चुके हैं एंड स्टार्टिंग में इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी दो आई लव टू जेल अप विद पीपल आई मेक फ्रेंड्स अ लॉट faster, but there is an issue with me. I fail to keep the connection. That's the issue. Well, I try my best to keep it up, but it is very difficult. Well, I have no more stories now, and what I did today, I don't know. This is my first video, so I want to keep it short, simple, raw. What do you say? Oh, this mic, I got it for around 2400 rupees. Why? I saw people saying that mic clears your voice. So for me, this is fancy, I guess. Whatever it is, I wanted to invest. That's it. So I invested on myself. So maaf kariyega agar if I say something wrong. This video and coming videos will be just to clear my head out. That's it. Simple. That's it. अगर फॉलो करना है तो कर लो, नहीं तो आपकी मर्जी. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. अब देखो भाई, अब सही लग रहा है. हेलो जी, आई एम